So here's how to collect emails for email marketing. In this video, we will be using Wix. You can try out Wix with my link in the description. Wix is a cloud-based user-friendly website builder that offers tools and features for creating websites and online stores. So as you can see, we're now in the Wix website. First, let's check out their pricing. On this page, you can see all the plans that they offer, starting with Business Elite, Business, Core, and Lite. So now, let's scroll up to the top and click on Login over here. If you don't have an account, just click on my link in the description. We will select Continue with Google. Then, we will be logged in to the Wix account. You just need to wait for a while for it to load up. And as you can see, we're now in the Wix dashboard. Over here, you can see options to set up your business. Let's click on Design Site on the top right. From here, choose between Generate a design with AI and Customize a template. So click on Pick a template. So on this page, you can see all the available templates on Wix. Click on Edit on the one that you like. I will go with this one. After that, you'll be taken to the Wix editor. On this page, you can edit the template however you like. Here, you can use this option to enhance your AI content. All you need to do is put in the details and click on Generate. But for now, we will cancel this. On the left here, you can see all of these options, such as Add Apps. And if you click on it, we will be redirected to the app market. On this page, you need to click on the search bar and search for Conversion pop-up. Also, if you're looking for any other apps to add to your Wix, you can find it here. But for this video, we will use this one. Then click on it from the suggestions. You will then be taken to this page. Click on Add to Site. Then from this pop-up, click on Agree and Add. After that, it will be loaded up onto your site template. It will take just a moment. And on the top, you can see that the Conversion pop-up app has been added. Here, click on Settings. Then from this page, make sure Collect Email is selected. You can also set up additional options by going over to Fields and setting up according to your preference. Then we have Styles and Rules. And if you click on Preview on the far right, you will get to see a preview of the pop-up just like this. This is where your customers will put in their emails. Now, let's cancel it. So once you're done with this page, click on Save on the top right. After that, click on Save and Continue. Now, as you can see, your site has been saved. Now, let's click on Wix on the top left to head over to the main dashboard. From here, if you go over to the top left, you will get to see My Site 1. Here, if you click on this site, you will be redirected to the dashboard from where you can customize this website. So once it loads up, on the left here, you will get to see all of these options. You can use these sections to customize your website further. For now, let's hover over Marketing. After that, you will get to see all of these options you can choose from. Let's click on Email Marketing. You will then be taken to this page where you can set up your Wix email campaign. You can choose from any of these templates or click on Start Email from Scratch. For now, I will click on Edit Template on this one. After that, you'll be taken to the editor. Here, on the left panel, you can see all of these options that you can use to customize it. Then you have Themes, Background, and AI emails. Now, let's click on Add. This is where you can see all the elements. And on the main screen, you can choose different elements that are already added on the template, and then edit them according to your preference. For example, let's select this text right here. After that, you will see all the edit options on the left. From here, you can change and edit different aspects. And if you go over to Design, you will get to see all of these options that you can utilize. And then click on Apply. Now, let's choose this text over here. You can select any part of the text and replace the text by typing in your own text. Then, let's go ahead and select the entire text. After that, from the left panel, let's choose a format from these options. Now, from the styles, you can choose from any of these options and add it to your text. After that, if you click on this image, you can click on Change Image on the left. After that, you will get to see this pop up. Over here on the left, you can see options to manage your images. You can also explore images from media from Wix, Shutterstock, or Unsplash. Let's choose this image and click on Add to Page. And as you can see, the previous image has been replaced and this one has been added. This way, you can easily change the image. So once you're done changing your image, let's scroll down. Here, you can make further adjustments to different sections of this page. For example, the text. Change all the text from the templates and make it according to your preference. You can also change the font size from the left. After that, if you click on a button, you will get to see options to customize the button as well. On the left here, you can change the button text by replacing the current text. You can also select what does it connect to. Then, if you go over to Design, you can select another font from these options. This way, you can customize it according to your preference. Same way, let's choose the other button. Here, you can set the designs for this one as well. And if you want to change the button text, just select the button text on the left panel and replace it with your own text. And as you can see, it changed right away. Now, let's scroll through the page and select another section. After selecting the image, click on Change Image. Then select Media from Wix. From here, you can choose any of these images. Scroll through and check out the images that they offer. For example, let's go with this one and click on Add to Page. As you can see, it has been added right away. Now, let's scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, you can customize the address, social media, and other sections. So after clicking on this section, we can see all the options to customize it on the left. Here, let's click on Design. Then, from these options, you can change the font and even the colors. So after you're done, click on Preview and Test on the top right. After that, if you scroll through the page, you will get to see a glimpse of how it will look like to your customers or visitors. If you want to make further changes, click on Back to Editing. And if you're done, click on Next. On this page, you will get to see this option to add recipients. So who are you sending this email to? Choose between all contacts and target group. If you select target group, you need to select target groups from these options. And if you click on Add Contact on the bottom, you will get to see all your contacts over here. Select them and click on Add. After that, your contact will be added to the mailing list. This way, you can select all the contacts that you want to send this email to. Once done, click on Next on the top right. This is the campaign overview. Here, you can get to see an overview of the campaign that you just created. Click on Schedule to schedule the campaign. And if you want to send directly, click on Send Now. You can also click on Send Test Email to test it first. But for now, let's click on Send Now. You will get to see this pop up right here. Click on Save and enter the code that you received on your email. Once it's done, your email campaign will be sent to your selected contacts. And that is exactly how to collect emails for email marketing.